Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are exploring a transformative aspect of facility management, the integration of technology and how ISO 41001 aligns with this dynamic shift. In our ever-evolving digital landscape, leveraging technology is not just an option, it's a strategic imperative. Let's dive into the key principles and processes involved in integrating technology into facility management within the framework of ISO 41001. Recognizing the role of technology in facility management. At the core of ISO 41001 is a commitment to optimizing facility performance, and technology plays a pivotal role in achieving this objective. The integration of technology in facility management is about harnessing innovative solutions to enhance efficiency, improve maintenance processes, and contribute to the overall effectiveness of managing facilities. Aligning technology with facility objectives. ISO 41001 encourages organizations to align technology integration with facility management objectives. This means that technological solutions should not be adopted in isolation but should be strategically chosen to support the broader goals of the facility and the organization. This alignment ensures that technology becomes an enabler of success rather than a standalone entity. Enhancing communication and collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration are essential aspects of facility management, and technology serves as a catalyst in this regard. ISO 41001 underscores the importance of technology in fostering communication between stakeholders, streamlining collaboration processes, and ensuring that information flows seamlessly across all facets of facility management. Leveraging IoT and smart building solutions. ISO 41001 aligns with the integration of Internet of Things and smart building solutions. These technologies provide real-time data and analytics, allowing organizations to monitor and manage facilities more efficiently. From predictive maintenance to energy management, ISO 41001 acknowledges the transformative potential of IoT and smart solutions in elevating facility performance. Data security and privacy considerations. While technology integration brings immense benefits, ISO 41001 also emphasizes the importance of addressing data security and privacy concerns. As facilities become more connected, organizations must implement robust measures to safeguard sensitive information. This aligns with ISO's commitment to ensuring that technology adoption does not compromise the security and privacy of facility-related data. Training and competence in technology usage. ISO 41001 recognizes that effective technology integration requires competent personnel. The standard emphasizes the need for training and development programs to enhance the skills of personnel involved in facility management. This ensures that individuals are equipped to leverage technology optimally, maximizing the benefits of digital solutions. Monitoring and continuous improvement. ISO 41001's commitment to continuous improvement extends to the realm of technology integration. Organizations are encouraged to monitor the performance of technology solutions, assess their effectiveness, and identify opportunities for enhancement. This iterative approach ensures that technology remains aligned with the evolving needs of the facility and contributes to ongoing improvement. Integrating Building Information Modeling (BIM). Building Information Modeling is a notable element in technology integration within ISO 41001. BIM facilitates a holistic view of a facility's life cycle from design and construction to operation and maintenance. ISO 41001 acknowledges the value of BIM in enhancing collaboration, reducing errors, and optimizing decision-making throughout the facility management journey. In conclusion, the integration of technology into facility management is not just a trend, but a strategic imperative for organizations aiming to achieve excellence. By aligning technology with facility objectives, enhancing communication, leveraging IoT and smart solutions, addressing security concerns, prioritizing training, and embracing continuous improvement, organizations can navigate the digital landscape effectively. Thank you for joining us today, and I encourage you to leverage technology with the principles of ISO 41001 to unlock new possibilities in facility management. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.